In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay your Spectrum bill without signing in. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC or phone. Then navigate to the official website of Spectrum. Once you are there, look for the option called Pay Bill or Make a Payment. Now, instead of signing in, choose the one-time payment or express pay option, which allows you to pay as a guest without logging into your account. Next, you'll need to enter your account details, such as your account number and security code, which you can find on your Spectrum bill or invoice. That step is important because it helps Spectrum locate your account securely. After that, select your payment method. You can usually pay using your credit card, debit card, or bank account and then enter your payment details and confirm the amount you want to pay. Once everything looks good, go ahead and submit the payment. That's it. Your payment will be processed and it may take up to 24 hours to reflect in your account. Also, if you don't want to pay online, you can use Spectrum automated phone system to make a payment without signing in as well. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.